you keep quiet?
Every time you be asking me for money, eh? Go.
Why are you shouting at my daughter? Is it because of money? Eh?
This woman. I've told you severally. What give me this one? Give me some. Give me some.
We have this.
See, I go dey listen to my friend.
Will you keep quiet?
Now, I go dey listen to the. No worry now. Next week, no worry. Me and you. Next week, this house. No worry. You no go contain me and you. I will go marry another person wey go give me man. Carry.
Go and marry. You are free to marry.
This she know dey. How she go dey? Mama Ake. Come on, sit down. Anybody with a phone way.
Look at you.
So you dey inside. Oh, you dey house. Where you dey go? Huh? Come. Stand up, make she see you. You see her? Shake her, give her. You don't see her. If they boy you well, if you know say your mama place never tire you, disrespect her.
Yes.
You too, you dey laugh. If they boy you well, disrespect her, yeah? I go throw una out. You see her? Na man dey see, na man you want dey. Na one for you. You don't see her so?
Madam, you are welcome. Thank you. Show you sabi give man. Sabi give man where?
Sabi.
Okay. You are welcome to our house. Thank you. Okay.
They go inside. Go find what you go chop. If the boy you well. No, you go your mouth. Sit down. Stand up, man. See you again. Shake her. Suppose.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Will you keep quiet?
They don't get me share for this place. Doctor!
I cannot hold it.
Now welcome.
Sorry.
This, madam.
And they call you this morning and you don't bring answer.
No, wait, let her walk.
She no fit walk.
Let her walk, please, madam. Please.
Child.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
We might go pay money finish now. Yeah.
Look at you.
Doctor.
Young man, congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
The Lord is good.
I don't see what good.
Your wife has just delivered a set of twins. Your wife has delivered a set of twins. Beautiful girls. Beautiful two girls. Young man, what happened? Wake up. Yours. Wake up.